Howdy folks, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. Now, many of you have probably cooked a turkey this past Thanksgiving, and you may be thinking of cooking a turkey for Christmas. And if you're cooking a turkey, you probably stuff it. Why not, right? So, maybe you went to the store, you got some stovetop stuffing or its equivalent, and you stuffed your turkey. Everybody's happy. Great. You know, there's another option: homemade stuffing. That's right. Let me show you how I make my homemade stuffing. Come follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Okay folks, ready to get this party started? Here we go. Want to see me dice up a loaf of bread in about 30 seconds? Watch this. Some pretty fancy action there, huh? Don't you wish you could dice up bread this quickly? And that's the finished product. We're going to set that aside for about 2 to 3 days, giving it a stir occasionally to allow all the bread cubes to dry out properly. Okay, it's been 3 days. Time to dice up the onions. Same thing here, folks. Chop, chop, chop. I diced up 2 onions for the stuffing project. Okay, now it's time for the celery. We're going to do the same thing here. We're going to dice up 4 stalks of celery for the stuffing project. Set that aside. Time to cook the stuffing. I'm going to start by melting 2 sticks of butter in a cooking pan. Now we're going to add the onion and the celery. We're going to cook that over medium heat for about 10 to 12 minutes until they become clear. Okay, that's cooked. I'm going to put the bread cubes into a larger pan to make it easier mixing. Add the celery and the onions to the bread cubes. Give that a stir. Time for 2 tablespoons of parsley. And the spices consist of 1 tablespoon of poultry seasoning, a teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon of thyme, and some onion powder. Give that a mix. Now it's time to add some broth. You're going to add enough broth to make it moist, but not soggy. Basically, you can adjust this to your liking. Time for a taste test. A little more spices. A little more mixing. Another taste test. Looks good, folks. Back into the original pan. Spread it out, smooth it off. Now cover it up. Cover it up with some aluminum foil, and we're going to put this into the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. And there you have it, folks. Homemade stuffing. Yep, fresh stuffing, seasoned the way I like it. That's good. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that is cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living. Making cooking fun again. Don't forget, if you liked it, click the like button, subscribe, share it with a friend. Don't forget to remember to thank our Creator. My prayer is that Jesus would keep you safe until we meet again. Thanks again.